The Sound of the Crowd. The Sound of the Crowd is a song by the British synthpop group The Human League. It became the band's commercial breakthrough, reaching #12 on the UK singles chart in May 1981. Background: written jointly by lead singer Philip Oakey and keyboard player Ian Burden, the song was recorded at Genetic Sound Studios, Reading, in March 1981. Originally released as a stand-alone single in April 1981, it was subsequently remixed and incorporated into the studio album Dare later in the year. The Sound of the Crowd was the first Human League song to feature female vocals, from new band members Susan and Sully and Joan Catherall, interacting with Philip Oakey's lead. Apart from the catchy imperatives such as "Get in line now" and "Get around town," the song contains some more obscure lyrics, such as "Make a shroud pulling combs through a backwash frame" and "Stroke a pocket with a print of a laughing sound." Discussing the song in a 2009 interview, Ian Burden said, "On The Sound of the Crowd I scribbled down some stream of consciousness words so that I could demonstrate the vocal parts to him Oakey without having to do the naff la 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 hum 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 type of explanation. He went off and wrote a new chorus vocal, but surprisingly kept my verse lyrics, 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 my verse lyrics, 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 my verse." Release. The single was the first to feature a distinctive, though short-lived, marketing tactic, where Human League singles were labeled red or blue to help buyers differentiate between the band's musical styles. Red was for dance tracks, blue for pop songs. The Sound of the Crowd was designated red, 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 hated red. When asked to explain the system, vocalist Sully explained that red is for posers, for Spandy Spandau ballet types. Oakey added blue is for ABBA fans. The group first appeared on Top of the Pops to perform the song on 30 April 1981, when it was at number 53 in the UK singles chart. The single entered the UK Top 40 a week later at number 34, and after 3 weeks it reached its peak position of No. 12. A second Top of the Pops performance took place on 21 May 1981, when the single was at number 15. B-side. The original 7 B-side, The Sound of the Crowd and Your Voice, is an instrumental remix of the A-side, an edit of which was later used as the closing track of the remix album Love and Dancing, issued in 1982 under the name of the League Unlimited Orchestra. A longer instrumental version of The Sound of the Crowd featured as the B-side to the 12 release. Versions. Although the song would later appear on the band's Dare album, a remix of the track was included. The song in its original 7 mix appears on all the Human League's greatest hits compilation albums. The bonus remix disc issued with 2003's The Very Best of the Human League contains 3 different contemporary remixes of the song: The Sound of the Crowd Trisco's Pop Clash Mix, The Sound of the Crowd Freaksblom Redo, The Sound of the Crowd Written Redub. The original remixes and rarities compilation album issued in 2005 includes the complete or 12 version. The 2012 edition of Dare/Fascination contains the album version, the extended or complete version, and the instrumental version as featured on the original 1981 12 single. The song is sampled on Gorillaz's song Ghost Train. Track listing. 7 vinyl version VS 416, The Sound of the Crowd 355, The Sound of the Crowd and Your Voice 3, 112 vinyl version VS 416-12, The Sound of the Crowd Complete 632, The Sound of the Crowd Instrumental 4, 1112 vinyl EP Canada only version VP 304, The Sound of the Crowd 625, Tom Baker 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, Boys and Girls 315, Dancevision 2, 22, 22. The Sound of the Crowd and Your Voice 4, 10 cassette version V for 304 has the same track listing. Promotional video. No promotional video was made for the song, although recordings of TV performances from Top of the Pops 30 April 1981 and later, with Jules Holland, 25 November 1995 are included on the bonus DVD issued with The Very Best of the Human League.